west and north of Boston. Michelle joining us now with more on our local forecast. And has a change occurred in a lot of the states so far, Michelle?
It's been very, very slow to get that change over to plain rain, Patrick. It's now happened along our coastline, but still seeing the sleet and freezing rain as you travel further inland. So we're going to begin on live Pinpoint Doppler 12 radar this morning and show you exactly again where that rain and sleet line is. So that green representing the rains now over most of South County as you travel, though, up 95 through Kent County, Warwick, West Warwick, still seeing some sleet, and that is the case into Barrington and East Providence, up into the Providence, Pawtucket area and along 295. Ice pellets, rain, maybe even occasionally some wet snowflakes mixing in there. Accumulating snow has kind of tapered off for a little while, even into southern Worcester County. We see some darker blue up to the north, but a little dry pocket there. Most of northern New England may see another batch of heavier snow later this afternoon. For us, we're going to see additional rain showers second half of the day, but we're still under a winter weather advisory until 11 o'clock this morning. Areas of brown, that includes most of our state. Northwest corner of Rhode Island under a winter storm warning, where we are expecting again that wintry mix to hang on longest in our northern suburbs. So we picked up about 4 inches of snow Coventry to West Warwick, 3 inches south Kingstown, Barrington about 2.5 inches before changing over to that sleet and freezing rain. The change to plain rain continues this morning. How about this? More snow possible on Thursday. Weekend, though, does look quiet, but looking ahead into the end of April, I don't see any big changes in the weather pattern from what we've been seeing, which is a colder than normal and unsettled pattern, and it does look like that'll continue into the end of the month. About 30 for your temperature in Smithfield right now, 34 in Providence, 34 in Newport, Westerly at 35. So notice that milder air trying to push in from the south. The transition over to plain rain will occur across all of Rhode Island and up into the Boston area later here this morning as those temperatures warm. Winds have been picking up. Strongest winds will be through the early afternoon. We're seeing wind gusts now topping 30 miles an hour. Newport a 30-mile-an-hour gust on Block Island and 25 to 30-mile-an-hour gusts out to the Cape. So it's a raw and damp morning this morning at the bus stop. If you're sending the kids out, that mix changing to rain, you'll need the winter coat, but also umbrella and boots. Still maybe need the umbrella this afternoon. Temperatures around 40. Lingering showers and drizzle. Now we are watching the back edge of at least a steadier rain and sleet moving across Connecticut, and that'll eventually work its way into our area. Our low pressure center going to be passing over Nantucket and the outer Cape. Some of this moisture is going to try to wrap back around as that storm system lifts up to the north and east, and our Futurecast does show that. So here we are at 8 o'clock, and again, spotty and lighter rain, sleet and freezing rain at times, and then continuing with those rain showers even at lunchtime. See how all that fills in. And even into the later part of this afternoon, some additional showers or drizzle, but notice it winds down here. The evening commute looks much easier than this morning, but then overnight tonight, temperatures will tumble. We're going to have to watch for maybe some black ice. So this afternoon, rain and drizzle, blustering raw at the coastline, temperatures in the lower 40s. Northwest corner of the state, upper 30s to around 40. Rain showers may still occasionally see a little sleet mixing in Burrville and in Foster and Gloucester. 42, New Bedford and Fall River. 41, Taunton, Seekonk. 41 with rain and drizzle. Here are those overnight low temperatures. So falling into the upper 20s. Providence to the coastline, about 24 in Smithfield. So watch for maybe some re-icing tonight into tomorrow morning. That first day of spring is going to be a cold and dry one. Highs in the lower 40s. For Thursday, we're watching this offshore storm may draw some of the moisture back in over the from the ocean over our area, Rhode Island and southeastern Massachusetts, and not even out of the question to maybe see some small accumulations possible. Highs in the upper 30s. Again, dry through the upcoming weekend, and then as we head into early next week, some of our computer models showing a storm that bears watching from Monday night into Tuesday. Right now, they're keeping it just offshore, but it's a close call. Make sure to go to our website, WPRI.com. Meteorologist TJ Del Santos has been keeping you up to date online, Twitter, Facebook. Check out the Pinpoint Weather blog. Great information there as well. Let's go out to Jay with another check on